Hey, it's SRT Locksmith here. We're going to change the battery on our 3-button smart key. This task here, all you're going to need is a small flat tip screwdriver and your remote and your new battery, which is going to be a CR2032. With that, let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and flip your remote over. You do see you have emergency release. I will just use the flat tip for demonstration. And you notice your key ring be over here. Slide the little metal tab over and it releases your emergency key. Go and set your flat tip to the side. You will need that again. With your key, go ahead and pull it out. And if you look up into the housing, this is where emergency key goes. This here is how we're going to open the remote. Take your emergency key blank, tip in, go ahead, put it down in there a little. And when you do, you're going to just slowly and easily get you a good view if we can. Put it in there and you're just going to twist it. And you notice when you twist it, it just pops open. You can even take your key and run it down the side, partially pop it open. You got your two halves. Here's your back, here's your front. Take your flat tip screwdriver, go and lift up on your battery. Battery's out. Go ahead, put your new battery in, positive side down. And once you get it back together, go ahead, put the two halves back together and just slowly work your way around. Now to do this task though, you will need to remove your key ring off of here. Go ahead and put it back together. And with that, you've just changed your battery on your 3-button smart key. Thanks for watching SRT Locksmith. Let's be safe out there.